Today I am going to show you how to rename files and folders in Google Drive on your PC step by step. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then, in the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop-down menu, I selected Drive and my Google Drive interface opened. Now, to rename a file, I moved my mouse over the file and clicked on the three dots. A menu appeared and from there I clicked on Rename. A small pop-up window opened where I typed the new name for the file. After entering the name, I clicked OK and the file was successfully renamed. That's it. This is how easily you can rename any file or folder inside Google Drive. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.